This page right here gets millions of views by posting creepy, abandoned cartoon and movie scenes. A similar video on TikTok alone hit 145 million views. Now, based on TikTok's creator program, the average payout is around 50 cents per 1,000 views. That means this single video made roughly $72,000. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recreate these viral abandoned cartoon locations and characters step by step. Most people think these videos take insane skills or expensive tools, but they don't. What actually makes them work is the concept, the prompts, and the workflow. First, we start with this custom GPT. This is the most important part of the whole process. Most people mess up by jumping straight into image generation, which is why their results look fake, cartoony, or inconsistent. This GPT solves that problem by doing the thinking for you, which will help you by giving you image prompts of your favorite cartoon. I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can check it out. This is where you simply type in a cartoon or movie name, like SpongeBob, Shrek, or Kung Fu Panda. In my case, I typed Toy Story. The GPT instantly gives me 8 detailed image scene prompts, including different characters and angles. Now, to turn these prompts into images, head over to Weavy AI. Sign up there. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're inside, click Create New File. You'll see a blank canvas in front of you. Right-click on the canvas and select Prompt to open a prompt box. Then right-click again, type Nano Banana Pro and select it to open Nano Banana Pro box. You don't have to use Nano Banana Pro, by the way. Weavy supports a ton of image models like Seedream, Flux, and even video models like VO 3.1, Sora 2, and Kling, so you don't need to jump between websites. In this case, I'm choosing Nano Banana Pro because it's one of the best image models right now. Click on it, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're making shorts, and choose any resolution you like. Now, connect the prompt box to the Nano Banana Pro box. Go back to the custom GPT, copy the first prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Run. And boom, the image is generated. This already looks insane. Now let's generate the second image, which is a different angle of Woody. Copy the second prompt from the custom GPT. Back in Weavy, open another prompt box and another Nano Banana Pro box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 again and connect them. Here's the important part. Make sure to connect the first generated image as a reference image so the second image stays consistent. Now click Run. Perfect. It's the same scene, just a different angle. Exactly what we want. Next, let's do the third scene with Buzz Lightyear. You can simply select the prompt box and Nano Banana Pro box and press Ctrl+D to duplicate them. Go back to the custom GPT, copy the third prompt, paste it in, and click Run. This looks so realistic. Now for a close-up angle of Buzz. Again, duplicate the boxes, connect the new Buzz image as the reference, set the ratio to 9:16, paste the fourth prompt, and click Run. Perfect. You just repeat this for all your scenes. Honestly, image generation becomes super easy when you have a custom GPT that gives you perfect prompts. Now let's animate these images. Right-click and type Kling, then select Kling Video. In the model section, you can choose the latest version, 2.6 Pro, which is the best. But 2.1 Standard still works great. That's what I'm using here. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now connect the image you want to animate to the Kling box. Open a prompt box and paste in your universal video prompt. Click Run. That animation already looks really good. Let's animate one more scene. Duplicate both the prompt and Kling boxes using Ctrl+D. You can delete the previous generation if you want. I do it out of habit, but it's not required. Now connect the next image you want to animate. The prompt is already there since we duplicated it. Click Run, and that's it. That's how easy it is to create viral abandoned cartoon videos using Weavy and this custom GPT. All you need to do now is download the clips, bring them into any video editor you like, and stitch them together. I'll leave links to both the custom GPT and Weavy in the description below. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.